So I'm Annabelle Sweeney. I play in goal for Cardiff Met, and I'm from Houston, Texas.
I'm Eliana Chavez. I'm from Austin, Texas, and I'm a winger/forward for Cardiff Met.
While I'm playing for Met, I'm also getting my master's degree in financial management at the university. I've only been here since last January, but kind of seeing that like the whole league revamp has been, you see like a lot of funding has gone into it, and you can see the benefit already. We're only a couple games in.
I played back in the States for my university team, and I knew I wanted to continue playing, and there's really not that chance. You know, there's either university or the NWSL team, so there was really nothing in between. Even playing for university is such a high level and is something that a lot of girls really strive to do, is get to that university level, but then after that, you're about 22, you're kind of really done with your career, and it's sad when you really aren't ready to be done, and for me, that's kind of what happened. And so coming over here, it really does inspire, I think, the younger generation to continue and like put their all into the sport.
Wales, when I first came here, was not really what I was expecting, but it kind of has that, at least Cardiff itself has the big city, small town kind of vibe. It was cold when I got off the plane, that is for sure. It was very cold climate-wise. I expected a lot of rain. We get a lot of rain in Houston, but it's not cold rain, so it was chilly the first couple months, that's for sure.
Previously, I didn't know much about Wales or about Cardiff Met, and my university coach had mentioned how successful they were in Wales, and so I just decided to, give it a go, and I've loved every second of it. I know a few people from the UK in the States, and they just mentioned, sheep, rain, and that's about it. And so that's what I was expecting, but it's obviously exceeded my expectations. It's beautiful, and obviously the football and getting to, study has just been amazing.
Coming from the United States, developmental-wise, I would say that we kind of play a different style of football. It's more like kind of just basing on athletic performance, where here it's more tactical and technical approach. So I think that side of my game has hopefully been improving while I've been here.
Our first game versus Swansea, we saw little girls, piling into the stands, and that was really nice to see. And it really just shows how the game is just growing and just inspiring younger generations.
I would say the start of the season was a bit of a bump, a bit controversial bump, but I think going from there just kind of sets the stage. It was a great kind of performance to kind of start off on, and then we can only kind of go up from there for each game. I would say shooting for this season, of course, is to win the league itself, and then we're also in some domestic cups, and hopefully to win those as well. Of course, always the Champions League placement is what we're looking for.
With dros y